Welcome back to Dan's Trades. Appreciate you coming back and checking us out. Today I'm going to do a quick trade review. As always, never advice, always entertainment and/or educational purposes only. Read the disclaimers, please. All right, today I was not in my office for the open. I didn't even see the news report, but I was looking at some nice trade setups that did happen there. Didn't take that, but I did take a couple scalps over here. One was completely on impulse, and I closed it out almost immediately. A few seconds later, we're looking at a 15-second chart, and I should say today is November 21st, 2024. Took 3 scalps today, very short-term scalps, just since I did miss that open that I wanted, but just wanted to get a few trades in. So this was the first one, closed it within a minute later, give or take. Just grabbed 8 handles. I was very happy I did because it ripped right back up. Had to leave my office again, came back around the end of the New York AM session, and this was a 15-minute PD array, fair value gap. And once we closed back above it, I missed it right here at 10:56, but I was waiting until, I was trying to wait till right around the top of the hour, but since it did close it back up a couple times, I took a scalp right here, targeting 20 points, pulled it off just as we were right above 20, so there was 20 there. Well, it was this one 8, so 28 points. And then let that go, let the lunch run. Nothing happening there. And then I looked at the PM session, waited till about 2 o'clock for a new 4-hour candle to be opening. So I wasn't in any of this garbage. No thank you. Someone else can trade that. That's perfectly fine with me. Then I was actually going to trade, my idea here was, let me pause this for a quick second, or I'll just switch it over to 15-minute chart. Zoom it back in there. Try not to get seasick on me. Let's see, sorry. Let's just get forward. There we go. That was a couple days ago. Here's today's. So what I was looking to do here on the 15-minute, I was strictly looking to see that the last 2 15-minute candles here have 130 and 145. Price came up, purged the buy side liquidity sitting right here. Then my idea was to go down and take out the previous lows of the 15 minutes. So I was going to do a scalp there. So that's where I took the entry. But what happened was I was down on the low time frame chart trying to drop my limit order in. And I made a mistake of doing trade and then hit it. But I was below price at the time, and so I thought I was above. Price had moved just a little bit, so it got me right here. I actually got tagged in as I was going to place it at a little bit higher PD array. So I was in either way. One, it gets me a few points, 46 up to 51, so 6 points. I took a little bit of heat. But then I said, all right, that was a slight mistake. So as soon as it closed below this first swing low here, I just cut it off. So once we dropped down below, I said, that's enough. I've already got 25, 28 points, so that put me over, 30 some points for the day. So I was happy with that scalp. I was going to target that 15-minute low, which is down here, these nice lows, and obviously ran right through it. So one minor human error, one impulsive move, and then one better scalp for the 20 points was my trade for today. So happy for 3 for 3. Good with that. I did have the idea. I almost went and took another trade towards the close. It looked like we were going to run for the 9 o'clock highs. But actually what happened was it said no. Stopped right here. Inside the order block back over here from the opening. So hit definitely 9:30 open was the target. I think it hit the 9:30 open. Let's take a look. I'll pause it quick and mark that up. Alright, so I went and dropped on a array here at the 9:30 open. You see there's lots of volatility right at the open. Ran up, so I know quite a few people are probably trying to target the highs of the day. They might have got bamboozled because look at where this stopped. Scroll it in. Boom. So once we hit 9:30 open, it said we're coming back down. So there was my scalp in between it. So I had an idea. I was like, well, maybe I want to take a trade for all-time high. I said, no, I dropped over to the demo, and I think I got stopped out in here somewhere. But whatever, that was in the demo account, so I already reset that, so it's gone. But 3 days trading, The live account, as always, and I'll take 3 for 3. The streak continues, so I'm very happy with that. Quick and dirty trade review video. As always, remember, tomorrow is promised for none of us. Make sure you live for today, and we'll see you next time. Later.